Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and this is Triple Play Saturday. I know you thought it was over. No, it is not. We just been on vacation, so let's kick this review off with Triple Play Saturday Round 1. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Triple Play Saturday Round 1, and today we got Matteo Dini in the building, and the name of this watch face is called MD118. Now this one here is nice. I'm liking the look in the always on mode. Looks really, really nice and legible, but when the watch face is on, it's going to give you everything that you're looking for out of a watch face. I mean, you got your step status info, like calories burned, forwards climb, heart rate, step info, goal completed. You get a nice digital time with the animated seconds. You also got the day of the week, your month, and your day. You get your battery info, moon phase, and you get some shortcuts going around the bezel of the watch. So if you need to go into your contacts, your settings, you need to get your weather, music, make a phone call, and or send text messages, you can just by one single tap, and you're in. And if I tap on 59, I can go in and I can set an alarm. So I'm liking this look. Very different, very nice. I mean, this is definitely a casual watch face that's worthy of being worn during any casual occasion. And if I double tap right here, I can change the color up there. I thought that was really, really nice. Double tap again, cycle through the many different colors that this watch face has to offer. I'm telling you, and it gives you quite a few. So just cycle through till you get to the one you like and let it land. But if I tap on the battery percentage, right, double tap, I can set this to whatever shortcut that I want to. So if I want it on gallery, messages, make a phone call, reminder, I can, and all I gotta do is simply single tap, and it takes me right into it. I'm telling you people, this is definitely an awesome watch face worthy of a download. All right, you all, that ends Triple Play Saturday Round 1. Stay tuned, and I'll see you again at Triple Play Saturday Round 2. Hit the like button on the way out, and if you didn't subscribe, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can get notified when I drop more videos right here. All right, you all, that's it. I will see you all at the next video. Take care and enjoy the weekend.